so it's harder to reach. Hey, it's Kelly from MXHideout. Did you just get a two-stroke dirt bike, but you're struggling to get on it without falling over or losing your balance? This is episode 1 in a brand new series for two-stroke beginner tips. I want to show you a couple mistakes people make when trying to get on a dirt bike, as well as 3 tips on how to make it easier, even if you have short legs like me. Just so you know I'm not cheating, take this strap off. So the first mistake is being on a side that is lower or uneven ground, making it harder, so it's harder to reach. But even if you do get on, the second mistake I see some beginners making is thinking you need to balance with 2 feet on the ground when it's nearly impossible on these full-size enduro or motocross bikes. I can barely tiptoe on this, and this is actually probably a couple inches lower than a lot of the bikes that I've ridden. So what do you need to do instead? Well, first of all, you need to find a flat spot where the ground is even on the side that you're getting on, or even better yet, higher ground. Even an inch is going to make a big difference in how easy it is to get on the bike. So if I get in over here, it's maybe ½ inch taller. It's a little bit easier. Even though I don't like getting on the right side, I just feel more comfortable getting on the left side. The second thing you can do is just lean the bike over just a little bit. You can turn the handlebars all the way to the right, make sure you got a good grip so the bike's not going to fall over on you, and then swing your leg over. You can also, if you feel gymnastic enough, you can jump as you swing your leg over like that. That makes it really easy. When you get on the bike, make sure you're not in the middle trying to balance on both feet. That's where you really lose your balance. If you got short legs like me, 27-inch inseam, shift your butt over to one side. Make it so that your right cheek or even your right leg, your thigh, is on the bike like that. Going like this, I can flat foot. Here, I'll show you on this side. Shift it over like that. You only need 1 foot on the ground to balance. I know it may seem a little bit awkward or weird or not very confident at first, but just try it a few times. Just shift your weight over, get a feel for that. And whether you're getting on the bike, getting off it, coming to a stop, if you practice this, it'll be really easy very quickly just trying it. So just ride the bike, stop, and before you even stop, you want to plan ahead which side of the bike you're going to put your foot down on. Like you're looking down a trail and you stop, you're like, oh, it's really steep on that left side. If I put a foot down, I'm probably going to fall over. So you want to plan ahead, come to a stop, put your right foot down. However, if it is hard to reach on either side, because you got short legs like me, this makes it harder to kickstart the bike. But whether you're starting it cold or hot, if you're new to two-strokes, you should check out my episode number 2 coming out on how to properly or more easily kickstart a two-stroke dirt bike, whether it's hot or cold, and what you should do if it takes more than 5 kicks. I'm Kelly Fagan from MXHideout. Ride safe, have fun. I'm not that old yet, but I feel like it.